Hi, Arielle. I'm Stephanie, and I'm very excited to be reading with you. Today, we're going to be reading Airplanes. I love airplanes. I want to fly one someday. I like to build airplanes. I put them in my room. Oh, look at that. He's building an airplane. How many already built airplanes can you see in this picture? I see a whole bunch. I like to read about airplanes. I have a lot of books. See how many books he has? I like to draw airplanes. I hang up my pictures. I like to look at airplanes. I have a lot of posters. I bet if he has as many posters as he has books, that's a lot of posters. I can even make paper airplanes. They really fly. I show my class. Everyone makes an airplane. Miss Locke says we can study airplanes. She says I can help teach. Who do you think Miss Locke is here in the picture? I bet it's this nice lady right here. And that's the end of the story. So here are the comprehension questions. Where do the toy airplanes get put once they are built? I think we can find the answer on this page. And then the second question, what do you think will happen when the class studies airplanes? I hope you enjoyed this story.